Hello, class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, and I hope that you all have enjoyed a lot, enjoying your winter break during your winter break. Now, the time is for the study again, and I hope now you're going to, as much as you have enjoyed your winter break, as much as you are going to enjoy your studies as well, because after that, you will be having your final exams. So now we are going to start with the final revision of the final exams, okay, as we have already done like in unit 2. Okay, so now we will start with the revision of final exams. Okay, so we will take the random chapters from your book, and we are going to revise that, and then later on we are going to discuss all those chapters in our online class as well. And if you will be having any kind of doubt of any sort of problem regarding understanding the concept of the topic, you can ask me during the online class. Okay, so today I have taken topic from the chapter unit number 7, that is sports, and the name of the topic is guess the game, given at page number 45. So all of you just open your books at page number 45, that is guess the game. Okay, so while that I'll just write on the topic on the board, and we are doing the GK. Okay, and the topic is guess the game. The topic is guess the game, given at page number 45. Guess the game. So now what is it? This guess the game. ये guess the game क्या है? So this guess the game is the topic in which certain clues regarding the various games that are being played worldwide has been given, and we are going to guess the name of the game while seeing the picture that is already given in your book. तो आपके बुक में पिक्चर्स दी हुई है बेटा, उसको देखते हुए, and all the material that is given in your book, उसको देखते हुए we are going to we are going to find out the name of the game. Okay, so the first of all we will read the clues, okay, and then I'll show you the picture as well that is given in your book, and then we will write down the name of the game. So here, name the sport described in each clue. Pick the answers from the help box. So the help box is also given below. You can see at the bottom of the page. Okay. So the first clue about the game is, this sports require using a bow and an arrow. A person who is an expert in this sport is called an toxophilite. Okay. So now the game जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, so for playing this game we use, or the person whosoever is playing this game, he needs a bow and an arrow. Bow means तीर, sorry, no, not तीर, the धनुष को बोलते हैं, जैसे समझे ना, जो राम जी लेके चलते धनुष और बाण. Okay, so that is known as bow and arrow. So the bow is dhanush, arrow is तीर या बाण जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Okay, so for playing this game, a person whosoever is playing this game, he needs a bow and arrow to play this game. Okay, and the person who is expertised in this game, जो इसमें expert होते हैं इस गेम में, they are known as the toxophilite. They are known as the toxophilite. Okay, so what is the name of this game? तो देखिए, जब पुराने ज़माने की अगर हम बात करें, अगर आपने रामायण महाभारत देखी होगी, तो जो धनुष बाण चलाने में बहुत ही योग्य या महान, मतलब धनुष, उनको बोले धनुर्धारी हैं. धनुर्धारी मीन्स मतलब वो मतलब उनके जैसे लाइक अर्जुन, द वन ऑफ द ब्रदर्स फ्रॉम द पांडवास, ही इज नोन एज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट धनुर्धारी इन द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, उनको मतलब सबसे बेस्ट प्लेयर माना जाता है उनको इसका. Okay, so what we call this game? So this is archery. So we name it as archery. So archery is a game in which the person who is playing this game, he needs a bow and arrow. Okay, a mark is there. Okay, so where they have to they have to shot that arrow with the help of that bow. Okay, and so that the bow की help से the arrow is being thrown. Okay, and जब वो उसको छोड़ते हैं तो वो इतनी स्पीड से जाता है, एंड देन वट एवर देयर जो भी उनका निशाना होता है, जो भी उनका एम होता है, वहाँ पे जाके स्टक करता है. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस गेम इज आर्चरी. एंड जो पर्सन इस गेम में खेलने में एक्सपर्ट होता है, ही इज और शी इज नोन एज द टॉक्सोफिलाइट. सो द फर्स्ट गेम इज आर्चरी. सो द फर्स्ट गेम इज आर्चरी. ARCHERY. That is archery. So the first game is archery. Next, this water sport has strokes such as freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and the breaststroke. So next game that we are talking about is a water sports. So water sports is, what is water sports? The first thing is this. Water sports क्या होता है बेटा? The water sports is the sports or the game that is being played in water. जो कि पानी में खेलने वाली गेम जो होती है उनको बोला जाता है water sports. Okay? So now we are talking about a sports that is being played in water, and there are different types of strokes that are being adopted by these players who play this game, and the name of these different styles of this game is freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and the breaststroke. So these are the names of the different strokes that are being used during this game. Okay, freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and the breaststroke. So these are the different strokes that are being used in this game. So what is the name of this game? So the name of this game is swimming. Swimming, जिसको तैराकी बोलते हैं हम लोग. Swimming. Michael Phelps, he is one of the best swimmer in the world. Okay, and he is from America. I hope that you have heard about him. He is one of the best swimmer in the world. And he has won 28 medals in the Olympics, back to back in the Olympics games, in the different events. तो जो माइकल फेल्प्स हैं उन्होंने, ही इज़ अ ग्रेट स्विमर. ओके, और उन्होंने ओलंपिक्स में बैक टू बैक ही हैज़ वॉन नियर अबाउट 28 मेडल्स, जिसमें से 23 आर गोल्ड. ओके, सो ही इज़ जस्ट अ लेजेंड स्विमर. ओके, इन्होंने 28 मेडल्स जीते हैं. What we call it, 28 medals जीते in the Olympics, out of which 23 are the gold. Okay, now the game that we are talking about is swimming. तो swimming में देखिए क्या है, this is a water sports, क्योंकि ये पानी वाला खेल है तो इसको water sports बोलेंगे. Okay, and the different styles that are being adopted by the various swimmers is backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle, butterfly. So these are the different types of strokes that are being adopted by the various swimmers. So the name of this game is swimming. The game is swimming. SWIMMING. That is swimming. So the name of the game is swimming. Okay, third one. In this sport, the players use wooden hammers to hit balls through rings that are fixed to the ground at the different distances. Okay, so the next game that whose clue is given. So this game is being played on a grass ground. तो ये जो गेम है जिसकी हम बात करें हैं, ये ग्रास के ग्राउंड के ऊपर खेली जाती है, घास वाली ग्राउंड पे खेली जाती हैं. एंड इन दिस गेम डिफरेंट रिंग्स, गोल गोल रिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग प्लेस्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड, और यू कैन से अटैच टू द ग्राउंड्स. ओके, एट द डिफरेंट इंस्टेंसेस. डिस्टेंसेस। तो जो गोल गोल रिंग्स रहती है वो थोड़ी थोड़ी दूरी पे सिमिलर डिस्टेंस पे रखी जाती है ग्राउंड के ऊपर, यू कैन से कि फिक्स की जाती है, खड़ी की जाती है। एंड दिस इज another thing that is required for playing this game is a wooden hammer or a ball and a ball that may be of the wood or maybe of the plastic। तो एक वो इस गेम को खेलने के लिए the rings are being fixed on the grounds, okay, and that for playing this game the one who is playing this game he needs a wooden hammer to hit the ball, okay. So how it is being played, so the player who is playing this game, okay, so the name of this game is the croquet, so the name of this game is croquet, so the name is croquet। so croquet में क्या होता है, so the player जो who is playing the croquet he has to hit the ball, जो player जो croquet खेल रहा है उनको बॉल को हिट करना होता है with the wooden hammer, wooden hammer, and that ball will reach to its goal while passing through this rings। तो वो rings से पास करवाते उस बॉल को बाहर निकालना होता है। so the name of this game is croquet, okay। so the different rings are being placed or fixed on the grounds, and the player he or she has to hit the ball with that wooden hammer, okay, that is required for playing the game। and when they hit the ball with that wooden hammer, then that ball passes through the different rings and reaches to its final destination, okay। so the name of this game is croquet, so the name of this game is croquet, 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 that is croquet, 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 okay। next the fourth one is, this sport is played with the clubs and the balls, it is in it the player tries to hit the ball into a series of holes in the least number of strikes, okay। so the next game जिसकी हम बात करेंगे that is being played with the help of the clubs and the balls, okay। तो ये जो गेम है ये क्लब्स और बॉल की सी हेल्प से खेली जाती है। सो यू कैन से द व्हाट इज क्लब, सो क्लब इज अ काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से लाइक अ हैमर, जैसे अभी हमने क्रॉकेट में बात की, इट्स लाइक अ स्टिक, okay, which is known as a club, and but it is little bit tilted at the bottom and long stick, okay। so the club is looks like this, it look like this is kind of a club, okay। so what is this, so in this game this club is used to hit the ball, okay, to make the ball reach to its the various designated holes that are being made on the grass ground। तो ये जो गेम है that is golf। तो देखिए golf कहाँ है, that golf is being played on a grass ground, grassy ground, तो grassy ground के ऊपर खेली जाती है, and there are different holes, okay, and the player who plays the golf is known as golfer। जो golf खेलते हैं they are known as the golfer। so the golfer they have to hit the ball with the help of the club, okay, they have to hit the ball with the help of the clubs and make sure that ball reaches to the various holes that are being made on the okay, and the player who makes the maximum who make his ball its बॉल रिचेज टू द इनटू द, मतलब जो अपनी बॉल उस होल के अंदर डालने में सक्सेसफुल होता है, और हु कैन मेक द बॉल नियरेस्ट टू द होल, जो कि होल के पास सबसे पास अपनी बॉल लेकर जा सकता है इन द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्ट्राइक्स, ओके। द प्लेयर हु मेक्स इट्स बॉल टू रीच टू द होल और नियर टू द गोल और मेक इट इन द बॉल is able to put that his ball into the holes that are made on the ground in the least number of strikes, he is considered as the winner, okay। so the name of this game is golf, so the name of this game is golf, fourth is golf, GOLF, that is golf। moving next to the fifth one, the fifth is, this is a Chinese way of fighting without arms, It is also a form of exercise combined with self-discipline. So the next sports that I'm talking about is a Chinese way of fighting. So this is a kind of fighting, okay, in a Chinese way, but in this the fighters, they don't use arms. So here the arms means like they don't use any kind of hathiyar. Arms doesn't mean ki matlab unke hath. Arms, these are also known as arms, but that doesn't mean this. So here arms means hathiyar. So this is a Chinese way of fighting without arms. Okay, so in this they don't, the players, they don't use any kind of arms in while doing this fighting. As you know about the WWF, तो WWF जब आप देखते हो तो उसमें देखते हो ना कि वो लोग तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग चीज़ों से एक दूसरे को मतलब मारते हैं. Okay, but in this form of fighting they don't use any kind of other things or the arms to fight with each other. Okay, and this is also considered as one of the best exercise to teach yourself self discipline. अपने आप को self discipline सिखाने के लिए भी this game is very popular, this sports is very popular. Okay, and this is also very great form of exercise in the Chinese people, they considered this game as a form of exercise combined with self discipline, okay, and self balance. Okay, so this is a Chinese way of fighting without arms, and it is a way of also a form of exercise combined with self discipline. So the name of this game is Kung Fu. So Kung Fu is the Chinese way of fighting without arms. Okay, and this game or this exercise also teaches the person the self control and the self discipline as well. So this is Kung Fu. The name of the sports is Kung Fu. Kung Fu. So this is Kung Fu is the Chinese way of fighting without arms. Moving to the last one. Okay, parallel bars, trampoline, pommel horse, and the balancing beams are some of the equipments used in this varied sports where one can score a perfect 10. So the next sports जिसकी हम बात करें हैं, so in this various equipments are being used. Okay, तो इसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग equipments use करते हैं. Okay, so you can see the names of the various equipments that are being used in this sports. The first is the parallel bars, second is trampoline, pommel horse, and the balancing beam. So these are the name of some of the equipments that are being used in this sports. Okay, and in this sports, okay, this sports is being is also the part of the Olympics and the Asian Games or Commonwealth Games as well. Okay, so in this game, so one can score a perfect 10 as well. तो एक इंसान जो है perfect 10 भी score कर सकता है. So this is gymnastics. So this gymnastic is also a very popular sports in Olympics. So the players who do this gymnastic, they do different kinds of horrible stunts. Okay, so they just move their body. So they have different types of stunts they just do in this gymnastic form. So gymnastics is also one of the very popular form of exercise, you can say, or the sports. And in this sports, one can even score a perfect 10. To properly 10, you can get 10 out of 10 if you are perfect in the gymnastics. Okay, so the name of this game is gymnastics. That is the sixth one. That is gymnastics. The sixth is gymnastics. This is gymnastics. Okay, so this was from page number 45. So now we will move to, as we have some more time left, now we will move to the page number 80 that is given in your book. So all of you just open your books at page number 80. That is also regarding the sports. That is sports vocab. The next is sports vocab given at page number 80. The name of the topic is sports vocab. Okay, and that is given at page number 80. Okay, so what is sports vocab? तो first thing is this. Sports vocab क्या होती है बेटा? Right, देखिए, as you can see, first of all I'll just read the heading and then you will be easily able to understand that what it means. Okay, so write the names of the sports below each picture. Draw lines to match the sports terms in the ladder to the correct picture. Okay, so देखिए sports vocab क्या होती है बेटा? So there, as you know, there are different words that are being used in डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स. तो अलग अलग स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत सारे अलग अलग जो वोकैब्स हैं, जो वर्ड्स हैं जो कि यूज किए जाते हैं ड्यूरिंग दैट गेम. सो जस्ट लाइक मैं बात करूँ LBW. ओके, लाइक बिटवीन द विकेट्स होती है, आई थिंक LBW. सो वन इन विच गेम द LBW वर्ड इज बीइंग यूज्ड, दिस वर्ड इज बीइंग यूज्ड. सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट, स्पेशली बॉयज, सो दे नो कि मैम ये वर्ड यूज होता है इन क्रिकेट. ओके, सो ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन द डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स. ओके, इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स. ओके, जैसे गोल है, दैट इज यूज इन द फुटबॉल, दैट इज यूज इन द बेसबॉल, नॉट रग्बी, फुटबॉल. ओके, सो अलग अलग जो गेम्स हैं, ओके, सो उसमें अलग अलग जो कुछ पर्टिकुलर जो vocabs है दैट आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स ओनली. सो इन दिस टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन द नेम of the sports with which that particular vocab is being concerned. Okay, so देखिए, the picture is also given here. The pictures are given and we will write down the name of that sports कि वो किस sports की picture है. In the bracket I will write, you will also write down the name of the sports, name of the you will select this vocab from here, this ladder, and write it behind, just डिसाइड टू इट. तो आपको स्पोर्ट्स का नेम देना है एंड इस लेटर में से ढूंढ के जो वो पर्टिकुलर जो वो कैब है उसके साथ रिलेटेड है वो भी आपको मेंशन करना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ, इन दिस द प्लेयर्स दे आर प्लेइंग द बास्केटबॉल. सो द फर्स्ट प्लेयर इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर दे आर प्लेइंग basket, they are playing basketball, comma. Okay, so as in the ladder there are different word: ace, googly, dunk, penalty kick, tee, and frozen ball. So these are the different vocabulary words that are being written here. You have to choose that which one suits with the basketball. कौन सा जो है जो basketball में यूज किया जाता है. So that is dunk. So dunk is the vocab that is being used while playing the basketball. So that vocab we are going to write in the bracket. तो bracket में लिखेंगे dunk, D-U-N-K, that is dunk, D-U-N-K, dunk. Okay, second one, the second is, okay, so the second picture I'll show you here. The second picture is of a sports, ओके, जिससे कि हमने थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया था, दैट इज प्लेड ऑन अ ग्रासी ग्राउंड, दैट इज गोल्फ. सो द सेकेंड पिक्चर इज ऑफ गोल्फ. सो देखिए ग्रासी ग्राउंड में खेल रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्लब्स एंड बॉल्स. सो द सेकेंड पिक्चर इज ऑफ गोल्फ. द सेकेंड पिक्चर इज ऑफ गोल्फ. ओके, नाउ हियर, सो गोल्फ दिया हुआ है हमारे पास बच्चे. नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? The next is we have to select the vocab that is being used in this game. So the vocab that is being used in this game is, okay, so as I can see here, that is T. So T-E-E-T. T is the vocab that is being used in golf. Okay, जो कि golf में use किया जाता है, that is T. T-E-E-T. So we will write it in the bracket T-E-E-T. So T is a vocab that is being used in a golf, while playing golf. T-E-E-T. Third one. The third is the picture of a player who is kicking the ball with his leg. So this is the picture of a game that is penalty kick. This is the picture of the game that is penalty kick. ये game क्या है? That is penalty kick. No, sorry, this is a game that is football. Okay, so the name of the sports is football, so in which a player is taking position to hit the ball, okay, with his leg. So the name of this game is football. So the name of this game is football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. The name of the game is football. Okay, so this is the game. And the term or the vocab that is being used along with the football is penalty kick. So the name is penalty kick. So penalty kick is the vocab that is being used in football. Penalty kick. That is penalty kick. K-I-C-K. Penalty kick. Okay, so this is the name of this vocab that is being used in football, that is penalty kick. Fourth one. So fourth picture is a game. The fourth game that is being shown in this picture is a billiards. So this is billiards. So billiards is played on a very in a long rectangular frame table. Okay, contain number of balls. Okay, so the name of this game is billiards. So the name of this game is billiards. So the spelling of billiards is B-I-L-L-I-A-R-D-S. That is billiards. The name of the sports is billiards. Okay, and the vocab that is being used in this is that is frozen ball. Okay, so the vocab that is being used is that is frozen ball. F-R-O-Z-E-N. Frozen ball. That is frozen ball. Okay, so these are the names of the first 4 sports whose picture is given in your book. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Next, the fifth. The fifth picture is of one of the very famous sports in our country. So this is the fifth picture is of very famous sports in our country. That is cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. That is cricket. Okay, so I'll just show you the picture. So here 2 players, they are playing cricket. So here they are playing cricket. So the term that is associated with the cricket game is, from the ladder is, that is googly. So googly is a form of a bowling form hoti hai, I think. Okay, so in which the player who throws the ball, the bowler, he makes sometimes he just throw a googly ball. Okay, so that is the term that is associated with sports vocab. Okay, so sorry, that is associated with cricket is googly. Spelling is G-O-O-G-L-Y. That is googly. Okay, moving next to the 6th one. The last is the last picture is of a game that you can see the picture here. This is tennis. So this is lawn tennis. Okay, so here the player is doing a service. So he is doing service of lawn tennis. So this is lawn tennis. Okay, and the name of the vocab that is associated with lawn tennis is ace. 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 Ace is a word that is associated with lawn tennis. ACE. Okay, this is a vocab that is associated with lawn tennis. Okay, ace. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so these are the solutions from page number 80. I hope that you have understood whatever I have tried to just told you. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session in only class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.